Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Sqlite 3 is installed and in your path. This ensures commands run anywhere. Open Command Prompt and run Sqlite 3 mydb. db to create and open a database file immediately. You do this because Sqlite is file-based. The command both creates the file and drops you into an interactive shell where you can run SQL. Once at the Sqlite prompt, run databases to verify and help to see essential meta commands before creating tables. You now define schema and import data. Run create table with appropriate types and primary KEY so queries are efficient. To load CSV, set mode CSV and then import data. CSV table name, make sure headers match column order. For ad hoc queries, use select and join to combine tables and use limit for quick previews. When performance matters, run explain query plan to see how Sqlite executes the query and adjust indexes or schema. To finish, make your writes atomic by wrapping them in begin. Commit, which speeds bulk inserts and prevents corruption. You should run pragma journal mode equals WAL and pragma foreign keys equals on to improve concurrency and enforce relationships. Adjust page size for larger datasets. For backups, either use the backup command inside Sqlite 3 or copy the closed DB file. If something goes wrong, first check file locks and run pragma integrity check. This reveals corruption and points to restoring from your most recent backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.